Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find out the determinant of this thing. So, previously, we guys have solved 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. Right now, we have to deal with 1a cube, 1b cube, 1c cube. Okay. As you know the process, what we will do, we are observing 1, 1, 1 here. So what I will do with the help of this row, I will make this person and this person 0. Okay. So look at this. So I want to transform row 2. So how? So I will go with row 2 minus row 1. Okay. So determinant is 1 a cube. Then this thing will become 0. This thing will become b minus a. This thing will become b cube minus a cube. Again, I will transform row 3 as what? Row 3 minus row 1. Okay, look at this. I am using row 1, not row 2, because it is under the process. Okay, so look at this. It will become 0, c minus a, c cube minus a cube. Now, I will use some formula. You know that the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so we will apply this formula over here. So 1 0 0 a b minus a c minus a cube b minus a b square a square ab. Comfortable? C minus a c square a square ac. Now it's time to take something common. So if you will observe, you are having b minus a common from row number 2 and c minus a common from row number 3. Let's take those things common. So it is b minus a c minus a. We are left with what? 1 0 0 a 1 1 a cube, and then b square ab c square a square ac. Okay, now we will open this determinant along this column because two elements are 0 now. Okay, so we have b minus a c minus a, and then 1 time c square plus a square plus ac minus b square minus a square minus ab. Minus 0 time anything will be 0, plus 0 time anything will be 0. Okay, now you have to simplify this thing. So if you'll observe, a square vanishes. So we have b minus a c minus a, and we have, look at this, it is c square minus b square. So can I go with a square minus b square formula? So c plus b, c minus b. And if you'll observe here, you guys can take a common. So if you'll take a common, we will be left with what? C minus b. Now if you'll observe, you guys can take c minus b common. Okay, so c minus b common, b minus a, c minus a, and then we have a plus b plus c. Now write down this thing in organized way. You know that if I'll give you three things a b c and you wish to write down something common, so you will go with a minus b, not b minus a, c minus a minus b, b minus c, not this, c minus a, this is okay. So what we'll take, we'll take minus common from here, minus take common from here, so both minus will become plus, minus times minus will become plus, and this thing will be transformed into a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and then a plus b plus c. So this determinant is also important result. Okay, so like previous one, previously you are handling what, 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. Over there what was the answer? A minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So here it is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and additional thing you have a plus b plus c. Okay, so it is same, almost the same. There is a little bit extra thing over here, you have to memorize. I hope the idea is clear. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.